Welcome back to English Tour. This is shadowing practice.
Listen carefully first. Then repeat each sentence aloud. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
I start my day with a positive attitude. Repeat. I start my day with a positive attitude. I make my bed every morning. Repeat. I make my bed every morning. A clean room helps me feel organized. Repeat. A clean room helps me feel organized. I take a quick shower. Repeat. I take a quick shower. Then I get dressed for the day. Repeat. Then I get dressed for the day. I always try to be on time. Repeat. I always try to be on time. Being punctual is a good habit. Repeat. Being punctual is a good habit. I carry a water bottle with me. Repeat. I carry a water bottle with me. Drinking enough water keeps me healthy. Repeat. Drinking enough water keeps me healthy. I greet people with a smile. Repeat. I greet people with a smile. Kind words can make someone happy. Repeat. Kind words can make someone happy. I enjoy learning something new every day. Repeat. I enjoy learning something new every day. Sometimes I learn a new English word. Repeat. Sometimes I learn a new English word. Sometimes I practice my pronunciation. Repeat. Sometimes I practice my pronunciation. Every minute of practice is valuable. Repeat. Every minute of practice is valuable. I don't give up when something is difficult. Repeat. I don't give up when something is difficult. I keep trying until I improve. Repeat. I keep trying until I improve. Confidence grows with practice. Repeat. Confidence grows with practice. I am proud of my progress. Repeat. I am proud of my progress.
Fantastic job. Thank you for practicing with English Tour today. Keep practicing every day, and you'll notice your English becoming more natural and confident.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new shadowing lesson. See you in the next episode of Shadowing Practice.